Honda Civic oil leaks are a common issue, particularly in models from the 2000s to mid-2010s, specifically 2001 to 2020 models. The most frequent cause is valve cover gasket failure. Over time, the rubber gaskets harden and crack, causing oil to leak onto hot engine parts. This is especially common in 2001 to 2005 and 2012 to 2015 models. Another cause is a rear main seal leak, which occurs at the crankshaft seal and is worsened by heat and vibrations, notably in turbocharged models like the 2006 Plus Civic Si. Worn oil pan gaskets or stripped drain plugs can also lead to leaks. Additionally, a degraded PCV valve or hose can cause pressure buildup and leaks. Overfilling oil, using incorrect oil viscosity, or neglecting regular oil changes every 5,000 to 7,500 miles can accelerate wear and contribute to these leaks. Diagnosing oil leaks begins with visual inspection. Look for oil spots under the vehicle and use a flashlight to spot drips on engine components. Mechanics may use a smoke test to pressurize the engine, with escaping smoke indicating leak locations. Gasket replacement costs $150 to $500 and involves draining the oil, removing the covers, and installing new gaskets. Silicone-based ones offer better durability. Rear main seal replacements are more involved, requiring engine removal and costing $800 to $1,500. Switching to full synthetic oil reduces viscosity changes. Regular inspections every 10,000 miles and avoiding harsh accelerations can prevent leaks. For severe cases, engine rebuilds or replacements are options. Ignoring leaks can lead to significant engine damage, costing $5,000 or more.